You've heard it all. With AI everywhere, businesses are booming like never before. But today, we are going off the beaten path. Hi, I'm Valeria from Modsen, and we are diving into 9 surprising ways to use AI in your business that you probably haven't seen before. But hey, before we jump in, AI applications are a huge topic, so this list is quite a personal pick. Interested in more creative AI ideas or a specific domain? Drop your comment below and we'll make a sequel just for you. So, at the top of our picks is something truly amazing: AI-generated trends. Ever wish you could see the future? I sure did as a kid. Now with AI, predicting trends is possible. AI looks at data to help companies know what's coming next and even guess if a customer might leave your brand before they buy anything. Or take fashion. AI checks past data, social media and runway shows to predict what styles will be popular. Companies like Hurrytech help brands like L'Oreal and H&M plan their collections and create new designs based on these predictions. And it's not just for fashion. AI also helps with market trends, investments and economic decisions. It's not just about seeing the future, it's about shaping it. Now you might wonder, what about our most valuable asset, our health? Well, AI is making a real impact here too. In fact, it's transforming healthcare with spotting health problems early. Take breast cancer detection, for example. A recent study looked at how well AI and doctors find the disease. They used mammograms, including some with missed cancers and some that were found later. Doctors themselves detected 67% of the cancers. AI alone improved that result by 6 points. But when AI and doctors worked together, they caught 84% of the cancers. Pretty impressive, especially when it comes to saving lives. So, AI helps us spot trends in society and our health. It's also shaping our experiences before they happen. Here comes the third exciting AI application: augmented reality with AI for product testing. A study by Loomis Vision found that 71% of consumers would buy more if they had detailed information through augmented reality. AI is taking this to the next level by simulating how products work in various settings or over time, and companies like IKEA or L'Oreal are leading the way. For instance, IKEA's AR app lets you see how furniture fits in your home before you buy it. L'Oreal's AR tools let you try on makeup virtually. As you can see, AI and augmented reality are making product testing smarter and shopping more interactive. And here we come to the fourth not-so-obvious application of AI: smart product customization. Imagine getting a product made just for you instantly. AI is making that possible by turning products into personalized favorites. Companies use AI to let customers design and customize in real time with suggestions based on their preferences and trends. Examples: Nike's generative AI model, still in development, and Adidas Me Coach. AI helps customers find exactly what they want, making your product stand out. But are we ready for AI to be even more personalized? Because our fifth surprising application is AI for dynamic customer experience. Yes, you heard it right. AI can adapt website content, product recommendations, and support interactions based on what users are doing and what they love. And guess what? It's already happening. Just take our latest project with a major home goods retailer. It's a stellar example of how AI and computer vision are transforming e-commerce. Curious for more? The juicy details are in the description below. So, AI is all about adapting to individual needs. This brings us to our next amazing application: AI for real-time language and culture translation. AI is changing how we learn and talk in new languages. Apps like Duolingo use AI to customize their lessons and give quick feedback, while Babbel adapts based on your progress. But AI does more than just teach us. Imagine chatting with AI characters that match your language skills and style. Not only do they translate words, but also help with cultural context, making conversations feel more real. In business meetings, AI can translate what's said and suggest best responses or gestures. Pretty amazing, right? But there is more to AI's ability to support our social well-being. Next, we look at virtual companions for the elderly. Take virtual companions like Alec, for example. These smart assistants are not just about checking the weather. They offer social interaction, remind about medications, and even provide emergency help. The results are impressive. Alec users report an 80% drop of loneliness and almost the same level in mental activity. That's how AI is not just changing lives, but truly enhancing them. But AI isn't just for practical tasks, it's also exploring creativity. That's why it's time for AI in art and music creation. You've probably heard of tools like OpenAI's DALL-E or platforms like JukeDeck and Ava. Artists and musicians are really having fun with AI, using it to spark new ideas and collaborate in exciting ways. It's amazing how AI helps people express themselves like never before. Well, wow! Are we almost at the end of our list? Get ready as we aim for the stars with our topic. And I mean, literally. AI in space exploration. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is using AI to help rovers navigate Mars all on their own. The Perseverance rover, it's nailed over 1,000 autonomous driving tasks, all thanks to AI. And it doesn't stop there. Deep Space Industries is harnessing AI for mission planning, including the ambitious goal of asteroid mining. They are aiming to cut mission planning time by 50% with a little help of the AI friends. I'm dizzy just thinking about it. Or maybe it's just the office coffee kicking in. And there you have it, 9 mind-blowing ways AI is changing the game. From exploring Mars to everyday magic, the sky's the limit. Interested in more incredible AI feats? Check out our portfolio with the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Got wild AI ideas or questions? Drop them in the comments, we may just feature them next. I'm Valeria, your AI expert at Modsen. Until next time, keep exploring!